4 amazing Android tips and tricks that are new and you should use them right now. So if you want to hide any file in your file manager, and all you need to do is select that image or file, long press on it and rename it. Now before the file name, just put a dot. All you need to do is you need to go to settings and disable this option, show hidden files, after which you will not be able to see that particular image. If you're visiting a website and you want to view how the website looks, or for any reason you want to preview it, all you need to do is long press here and click on preview page. You will be able to get a preview of the website without actually opening the website. If you quickly want to switch between applications, you just need to double tap your multitasking button and you will keep switching between apps with a flick. If you want to convert any MP4 file to an MP3 file, just long press on it and rename the extension to .mp3 and your audio file is ready. For amazing tech tips like this, subscribe to PhoneOps.